Aloha, my name is Candace Bishop. I'm a registered dietitian, and I'm sharing this recipe with you guys today on behalf of the Science of Identity Foundation, a nonprofit organization that helps individuals achieve greater spiritual, mental, and physical well-being through the practices of meditation, yoga, and a healthy lifestyle. This is ulu hummus, and hummus, we're taking the traditional hummus and we're adding ulu, which is breadfruit, and ulu is really rich in complex carbohydrates, fiber, calcium, minerals, so it's a very nutritious starch that you can add to a lot of dishes, and it takes on the flavor of whatever you cook it with. So this has been already cleaned. We took semi-immature kind of green ulu that's been cleaned and boiled, and now it's ready to go. And first, we're going to start preparing our hummus the usual way, the original way, with garbanzo beans. So I've added 1 can of garbanzo beans, a couple cloves of garlic, a third of a cup of lemon juice, some cumin powder, about half a teaspoon, a couple teaspoons of olive oil, about a third of a cup of tahini, which is sesame seed butter. And I'm going to blend this all first. Okay, let me add a little bit more water to get it to a nicer, runnier consistency. Not too runny, but just enough so that it is more creamy. Lastly, we're going to add some salt, actually, before I add the ulu, which is about a half a teaspoon, some pepper, okay, and then lastly, this is about 2 cups of ulu that's going in here. Add a little bit more water. Fish it out, and you can serve it with a variety of things. You can serve it with, we've got some vegetables here, so you can kind of see this really nice, thick consistency. And it's got protein, fiber, protein from the garbanzo beans, lots of fiber from both the beans and the ulu, lots of great healthy starches. And you garnish with a little bit of cilantro, and we are set to go. Hope you guys enjoy it.